Hi guys, and in this video I will take a look at this Chinese battery case for Samsung Galaxy S6 from eBay, how fast it is charging, show you the real battery capacity and if it's worth it. So if you take a look at the box, we can see that this battery case should have 4200 mAh, charging case and phone current of 1 amp, data transfer support, phone shock protection and LED indicator along with power switch. So inside the box you will find case itself and manual about specs and other stuff. And I can't complain about the build quality and material from which is this case made, because the whole case is very sturdy and the plastic is very soft and nice to touch, and even it will not scratch your phone. So that's a very good beginning. At the bottom you will find two cutouts, one for speaker and another one I don't know for what, doesn't have anything at this side. Then micro USB port, hole for headphone jack, about which I will talk in just a second, and LED indicator with power switch. So if I will plug the micro USB charging cable into this case, it will start charging and LED indicator is working properly. And the charging current was from the beginning really around 1 amp, so far everything is working properly. Later on it slowly decreased to lower values like 0.3 amps and later on to 0, which is totally normal LiPo discharge battery characteristic. And the charge time was around 2 hours. And the battery was totally discharged before the test, but the capacity was only around 1500 mAh, which is 2.8 times lower than it should be. So obviously 4200 mAh was fake, as on almost every single Chinese battery, so you can expect much less than advertised capacity. And I wasn't very satisfied with the charging speed of phone charging from this battery case. It is pretty slow, and if you want to do something on it with turn it on display, it just cannot provide enough current and it is slowly being discharged instead of being charged. But for sure it is helping to extend that discharge time, or if you will don't use your phone at all, it will charge it up without problems. Next thing is the data transfer, which was from my testing a lie. I tried connecting the phone to my PC without this case and it worked, but when I plugged the same USB cable into my case, which was connected to my phone, it just started to charge and nothing else in the windows. And the manual says that you just need to plug USB cable to transfer data. Next thing, which I totally hate, and it was for me very important to have, was just to have this case on my phone, and when I will want to charge it, just I will plug the cable to battery case and it will charge up the phone and the battery case at the same time, or at least phone first and the battery case then. This is even written on the manual that when charging the battery case with phone attached, the phone battery will be charged first. After the phone battery is fully charged, charging of the battery case will begin. But no, if I connect discharge phone and my case, my S6 will start to charge for like few seconds, or in the best case for a minute, and then only the case will begin to charge up. So if I would do this after a long day with discharge battery in both things and let it charge when I will go to sleep, in the morning I would have just charged battery case in the best case. So to charge up both things I have to take the case out and charge it with one cable and then my phone with another one. So in conclusion, should you buy this for 14 bucks if you want to extend your battery life? Well, it is up to you. You will get like 3 times lower capacity than you should have, quite slow charging, and you will cannot transfer data or charge your phone with this case without taking it apart. But the case is very well built, only the sides are quite exposed without any protection, and it even has this small stand which you can extend if you want to watch a video, for example, without holding the phone. It isn't very thick or heavy, so you can slide it into your pocket without problems, but you will notice it. But the hole for headphone jack is very deep and slim, so I cannot plug my headphone jack into it and I will need to use an extension cord to use it. But I quite like it, because I can charge up my phone at least a bit without any hanging cables from the power bank, so my battery will last at least 1 day under heavy usage with turn it on Bluetooth for my fitness tracker, GPS navigation, Wi-Fi and high screen brightness. Okay guys, that's everything for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I will appreciate any feedback from you. Consider subscribing and link where you can find this will be in the video description. Bye!